It was nighttime on the island of Sodor, and Thomas is there looking at the night. Stars glimmering, and whatever. Moon is out anyway. What a peaceful night. Man, I like looking at the stars, and it's gonna be work tomorrow, I guess. Well, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I'm going to bed. Man, it's been a long day. I think I'm gonna hit bed. And, oh, I'm not right here. Come on. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, Thomas. What the? What? Hey, Thomas. What do you want, James? I'm about to go to sleep. Well, I was just wondering, what? Can I sleep with you tonight? Sleep with you? Yeah, right. You got your own bed, James. Well, technically, I was... my bed was in the... Let's just say... Let me guess, Henry, lit on fire again. Yep, that's what I was gonna say. Fine, you can sleep with me, but only one night. Thank you, buddy. Hello. I'm just gonna sleep with you. Hey, Thomas. What, James? That's okay. Just go to sleep, James. Hey, Thomas. What now, James? I'm thirsty. Go get water. I can't. I'm too lazy, James. Fine, I'll get you water. Okay, James, I got the best water you can ask. Oh, you can put it there. I don't even want it anymore. What? You didn't want it? I just gave you you just asked me for water and now you don't want it? Yeah, you can put it there. Now please go to sleep, James. Been a long day. Hey, Thomas, shut up. Okay. What now? Okay. What? James, could you not do that? James, please, I'm trying to sleep. I did not snort like that. James, stop snoring like that. You're gonna get me tired and I won't be able to wake up all morning. Please stop. Oh, what a morning. Good morning! It's morning time.
Oh, James, what the hell was that? Man, what a night.
You didn't sleep all night. Oh man, I slept like a baby last night. Now I'm gonna go pull some coaches.
Yeah, good for you.
Thomas was so tired he can barely keep himself awake. He was puffing very slow, even though he was pulling Annie and Claire though on the morning. He was so exhausted. He couldn't get enough sleep last night.
Must keep myself awake. Ugh. But Thomas couldn't stay awake long. Ugh.
Meanwhile, Percy was coming along with a milk train. What a nice thing for a milk train. But that's when Percy saw Thomas laying down. What the? Thomas? Oh my gosh! He's asleep! Thomas? Thomas? Hello? Thomas? Thomas?
I'm up. I'm awake.
Oh, it's you, Percy. Thomas, what were you doing laying down? Oh, Percy. I didn't get enough sleep last night. Didn't get enough sleep? Why? James's bed got in a blaze thanks to Henry. Wait, Henry burned his bed? Yeah. And now he's sleeping with me from now on. Ugh, I'm gonna be so late for this. Okay, let me just move out of the way so I can let you get past. Thanks. But when Thomas arrived at the station, he was very late indeed.
Thomas the Tank Engine, where have you been? You are late. Sorry, sir. I haven't get enough sleep last night.
What? Why?
James, that's why. What? James was a pretty popular engine. He would never do that to you. Yeah, but, no excuse, Thomas. Be sure to be on time tomorrow. Understand? Yes, sir. Thomas puffed away very sleepily.
When Thomas got back from work, he was very exhausted, and James was already there, watching Arlo the Alligator Boy. James, can we talk? Not now, Thomas. I'm trying to watch my favorite movie. Oh, this should be good. Hey, Thomas, look at this part. What? Okay, James, I need to talk to you something. Wait, hold on, Thomas. Oh, yeah, that could be good. Yeah, good one. Oh, yeah, drive off. Drive off. James, okay, fine. What do you want to talk about, Thomas? You know, James, you got me really tired, all night because I couldn't get enough sleep with that, like, that. Oh, you mean my snore? There's nothing wrong with my snore. I mean, I sleep fine. Well, can you not do that this night? I think I might give it a try, but... oh well, back to the movie. But James couldn't help himself. Why me?